Ready to turn that side hustle dream into a real online store? Let's unlock the power of Shopify, one step at a time. First, head to Shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and name your store. Choose something memorable and relevant to your brand. Once your account is set up, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is your command center to start selling. Click on Add Product here. You'll enter your product's name, description, pricing, and upload some high-quality images. Next, let's give your store a visual identity. Click on Online Store, then Themes. Shopify offers a range of free and paid themes. Explore the options and choose one that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Click Customize to tweak the colors, fonts, and layout. Now for the important stuff, payments and shipping. Go to Settings at the bottom left. Click on Payments to set up your payment gateways, like Shopify Payments or PayPal, so you can actually get paid. Then, click on Shipping and Delivery to configure your shipping rates and options. Remember, this is just the beginning. Explore Shopify's other features like marketing tools, analytics, and app integrations to scale your business. With these basics under your belt, you're well on your way to launching your online store and building your e-commerce empire. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!